Are you still using other people's CC presets? Did you feel like you had to make it like them? If you have no idea about that, then don't worry, this video is for you. If you have any doubts, ask in the comment box. So let's start. Add copy background. The use of copy background is copies the background into the layer. 2. Exposure. Go to color and light. Exposure. Increase exposure slightly if your clip looks dark. Don't overdo it, just enough to brighten the subject.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
3. Unsharp Mask. Next, add Unsharp Mask. It helps boost small details and makes edges cleaner. Keep radius low and intensity around mid. This gives a pro look. Highlight. Now add highlight. Lower it a bit to bring back details from bright areas. It makes your clip more balanced.
My own little nightmare, I call it hell, oh well. It's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking.
Sharpen. Add Sharpen for extra clarity. Keep it light. Too much will cause noise. This step makes your C pop.
I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Water.
6. Brightness. Now, add brightness. Adjust slightly to match your exposure. Use it to fine-tune the light levels.
If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
Saturation. Finally add saturation. Increase for a colorful tone or lower for a cinematic vibe. Choose what fits your edit style.
You don't want me
That's your base CC, clean, bright, and detailed. Next episode, we'll move into tone and glow effects. If you like this, drop a like, comment your favorite tone, and subscribe for episode 2.